Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using the Nothing's Better Than bundle. And this is a sweet little cocktails card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Nothing's Better bundle, and we're going to be using this stamp set, the lemon wedge and the umbrella and the ice. So we're going to start with our stamping, and I have my Memento black ink, and then I have our little drink here on clear black B. So just like that. I'm going to come in with my Granny Apple Green. And I also have my little drink here mounted on clear black B. And the lime here. And the umbrella, just like that. I'm going to come in with my Big Shot. Okay, so I have my little drink. And then I have our cocktails, and I have a piece of Granny Apple Green, and I have the adhesive sheet on the back there. And then I have a piece of Daffodil Delight, and then I'm going to come in with the Hippo and Friends dies. Run that through. All right, and we're going to keep this piece. This is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. All right, let's put this card together. I have a piece of the Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper, and that's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Seal. And I am out. And I wanted to do this on the camera in case you didn't know how to switch that out. It's super easy. Ta-da! And if you've been watching my videos for a little bit, you know I like to use the silicone craft sheet to put my adhesive on, because that little extra cushion makes it a little bit easier. Okay, and now I want to make sure that this top part here is on the top, the yellow part, the lighter part, I guess. And then I'm going to come in with my cocktails and peel the backing off. Oops. And then my dot stayed in here, so, which is good because I thought I lost it. All right, so just like that, I'm going to get my little drink here and put some adhesive on the back. And I'm going to put it down on my die cut piece, just like that. Then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. So just like that, and then let's see, I think I'm gonna put kinda day. And I'm going to mount that on clear black G. And I think I'm just going to put the cranny apple green on top of the cranny apple green. Just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple cocktails card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!